There was a huge challenge in installing a signage at 100 feet above ground on a building rooftop for an automotive industry. It would take sullied soon due to pollution from the vehicles on road. So, what did our think tank do in this scenario? Maintenance was tough as there was tremendous risk working at that height. We advocated working at a much lower height and also employed safety harnesses for use. Working higher was cumbersome and we are putting someone at risk for 8 hours every month. We did this at zero cost as customers are our prime focus at Mtandt. We want to live by example.